Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about: the ZPW RS6 electric bike. If you're someone who's looking for the perfect way to commute through the city, this is the bike for you. First off, let's talk about power. This bike comes equipped with a 400W motor and a 48V35Ah battery, giving you the strength and energy you need to tackle any urban terrain. Not to mention, the top speed of 35 km/h means you'll be zipping through traffic in no time. But what really sets the ZPW RS6 apart is its sleek and practical design. With 14-inch vacuum tires, shock absorbing capabilities, and front and rear mechanical disc brakes, this bike is all about taking on the city in style and safety. Plus, it's customizable for your comfort and convenience with a handy LCD screen for display and a folding size that makes storage a breeze. And the best part? The after-sales service is top-notch, ensuring that you're satisfied with your purchase from start to finish. With options for installment payments and door-to-door delivery, the process couldn't be easier. So why wait? Take the next step in upgrading your city commute and click the link in the description below to get your hands on the ZPW RS6 electric bike today. Don't miss out on this game changer in urban transportation. It's time to take your ride to the next level.